Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frittata in oven-only way. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F, sauté fillings until soft, whisk eggs with cream and cheese, combine in an oven-proof skillet, then bake until set and golden, about 18-22 minutes. Let rest before slicing. Use a cast iron for even heat and slide briefly under the broiler for a crisp top if desired. Start by prepping all fillings and grating cheese so the process moves quickly. Whisk 6 to 8 eggs with a splash of milk or cream and salt, then fold in sautéed vegetables, cooked meats, and half the cheese. Pour the mixture into a hot, buttered oven-proof skillet and smooth the top. Sprinkle remaining cheese, then bake until the center is nearly set and the edges are puffed and golden. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere and keeps all your favorite cookbooks and notes in one lightweight device. It makes following recipes in the kitchen much easier and drier than paper. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Time your bake so the frittata is golden and the center jiggles slightly when you nudge the pan. After pulling it from the oven, allow it to rest 5 minutes so juices redistribute and slicing is clean. For a brown top, place under a hot broiler for 1 to 2 minutes, but watch closely to avoid burning. Slice into wedges and serve warm or cool for a make-ahead meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.